Hey house music producers, today we are going to discuss something that could completely shift how you see your growth as a producer. Because the truth is, you don't need to learn everything. You just need to start using what you already know. Let's unpack this. Let me ask you this. How many times have you watched a fire YouTube tutorial, felt inspired, but then never actually used what you learned? That's the illusion of progress. You feel like you're getting better, but nothing's changing in your actual music. You're collecting ideas instead of practicing execution. Learning is easy, applying is hard, but applying is where the magic happens. Most producers already know enough to make amazing music. They're just not using it fully. Ask yourself, are you using your EQ to its fullest potential? Do you understand how to shape transients with transient design? Can you take one synth and make 5 different sounds with it? The tools are there. The question is, are you building depth or just chasing novelty? Depth is mastery, and mastery is what makes your music stand out. Great producers are like athletes. They train the same moves until it becomes second nature. If you want to grow fast, do this. Pick one technique, maybe it's sidechain compression or drum layering, and use it in 10 different tracks. By the 10th one, it's automatic. That's how your workflow gets faster, your tracks sound tighter, and your confidence grows. Repetition builds intuition, and intuition builds speed. Every time you chase a new plugin or new DAW, you're avoiding the real work, finishing music, getting feedback, developing your style. Your goal isn't to become a plugin expert. Your goal is to become an artist with a clear sound and workflow. So stop restarting the race. Run the track you're on. Use what you've got. So if you're serious about growing, here's your challenge. Pick 3 tools you already own. Make 3 full tracks using only those tools. Limit yourself and watch your creativity explode. It's in those limits that you'll finally find your sound, because creativity thrives under constraint. If this hit home for you, good. That means you're ready to stop hoarding knowledge and start building skill. Use what you know, make more music, grow through action. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more value.